Hi, I'm Coach B with Panls. Today I just want to go over the panels board that we're using here today in our gym. So as you'll see, I'm writing numbers on here. One of the key factors on this panels board is its easy to clean ability. As you're seeing, there's no ghost images left behind the numbers on the board. I can press hard, I can press light, and they all come off extremely easily. Another key factor on this board is its durability. So not only is there going to be markers pressing on it, there's going to be a lot of traffic coming in and out. Things might bump into it. It's a school, it's a gymnasium. This is made out of ceramic steel. It is the utmost and extreme durability. To show you, I have a pocket knife here, and I'm scratching it pretty hard onto that board, and it is not taking this off. Other boards, you might notice these outlines are stickers and will peel off. On the panels board, it's actually embedded into the board. So no matter how much I write, erase, scratch it with a pocket knife or bump into it, it erases and cleans up like new. Also in today's day and age, bacteria and sanitation is extremely important. With a large amount of students and athletes packing into one large building, being able to wipe this board down and prevent any bacteria or viruses from spreading is a key factor. The ceramic steel that the board is made out of allows you to clean it with any cleaning chemical, alcohol wipes, sprays. Any average cleaner and beyond can clean on this board and will not affect it. It is bacteria resistant. And lastly, another good feature of this board is the visibility. At long distances, it becomes real difficult to look at a blackboard or your standard dry erase board with light reflecting in it. On this board, as you see, it's extremely easy to differentiate different colors at a distance. So when I'm drawing my plays out for my team, I don't have to worry about the guy in the back row being able to see because everything stands out nice and clear on this board.